Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9 to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. Gemini, what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius here. So under the deck, the High Priestess, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Two of Swords, and Chariot. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. You are in some confusion, Gemini. Maybe you want to go one way, but your heart is saying one thing and your brain is saying one thing. That is, definitely you are at some crossroads. You are juggling between head over your heart. That's why you are in very slow moving right now. And yeah, right now you can't take any decision because you have no clarity at all. I think for some you're doing self-love, you're loving yourself, and for some a new person is entering in your life. And for some you have very strong emotions towards your person. You're still waiting for someone or for something. Seven of Pentacles, there is some waiting period. And you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition here. And for someone is hiding something from you. Some secrets are hidden in this connection, especially Gemini. So let's see, we're reading recent past, Nine of Swords, Ace of Swords, and Knight of Cups. In recent past, you were in anxiety or depression. Lot of thoughts. Maybe you're thinking about them a lot, overthinking. Because no clarity at all. You want clarity from their side, but it is not coming. So that's why you were in anxiety or depression. But you still have strong emotions towards your person because Knight of Cups, you have strong emotions. Then present Ten of Pentacles, King of Swords, and Two of Wands. I think you decided to focusing on your money here. In relationship wise, there is no stability. So you don't want to give energy to this person or to this connection anymore. You don't want to invest your energy. That's why you want to put your whole energy in your career. That's why you are taking control of the situation here. King of Swords, your guards are up, and definitely you are taking some decision here. Right now you're thinking about to make a decision. I think you're choosing yourself. You're choosing your career. Then future, King of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and Temperance. Yeah. Trust issues. Maybe your person is a cheater, liar, or they backstabbed on you, lied to you. So that's why you are focusing on your money and you are achieving financial stability and you are very balanced now. Yes. Whatever is happening in your life, you are okay with that because you are now very balanced person. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, Five of Swords. Yes, they did hurt you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you, Gemini. Your person current feelings and intentions. Devil, I don't read reverse cards. Nine of Pentacles, their intentions. Okay, fine. And under the deck, Knight of Swords, Five of Wands, the Hangman, and Strength. Maybe you're dealing with Leo here. Ace of Swords. Definitely your person feeling stuck here. They want to communicate with you. Knight of Swords. Definitely they're rushing to communicate with you. Because a lot of drama is going here. They want to give clarity here. Yeah, they want to give clarity from this side. Maybe some competition is going. One person is having options in this connection. So the current feelings, the Emperor, Nine of Swords and the Devil. For some, this person may be toxic for you. Your person is very dominative. Because the Emperor with Devil, very, very toxic, guys. So be careful with this person. Maybe some toxicity in this relationship. They are causing some toxicity. Yeah, they're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. They're obsessed with you. They're addicted to you. But Devil with Emperor, dominative, ego, and their intentions: Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Wands and Queen of Wands. Again, they are being selfish with you. Definitely your person is a selfish for some. Right now they have no time to give you because they are busy with their works. They're doing so many works. Maybe they have other responsibilities. They are career oriented because Nine of Pentacles. Right now they're focusing on their career. That's why they are not taking any proper action towards you. Yeah, they're missing you. They're thinking about you but not taking. But they will communicate with you because Knight of Swords, and they want to give clarity because they are stuck on you. But I am not seeing any honest approach towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. They are missing your attention. That's why they are going to communicate with you. Two of Wands. Yeah, they have to make some choice. King of Swords, because they are being very cold with you. Hot and cold behavior. Again, they're thinking about something because they have to make some choice here. Maybe they have to make choice between you and their career, you and their family, and the lovers. I think it's more about physical than emotional. What I'm getting here, the moon, lot of trust issues, lot of secrets hidden in this connection. So definitely for some, your person is not expressing their true feelings. They're being cold with you because the Emperor with King of Swords and the Devil. Yeah, Knights always in and out of your life. Lot of trust issues, guys. Definitely this person is not trustworthy for some. And for some, it depends on our situation. But to be honest with you, definitely I am getting a lot of negative vibes here because a lot of toxicity. Seven of Swords, Emperor, Devil with Five of Swords. Yeah, for some third party is also involved in this relationship. So let's pull some card. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Gemini. For some, definitely this person is toxic for you guys. Then it's up to you what to do, what not to do. I think you're defensive mode right now. There is no partnership. There is no equal give and take. Yeah, you are taking care of yourself. You're just doing your own thing. But they are coming to work on this relationship. But I'm seeing that this person is not trustworthy. They're playing again games with you. Yeah, that's why you decided to cut off this person from your life. You are in a defensive mode. You are protecting yourself from this person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. I have too much going on in my life. Yes, I already told you. They have too much going. Will you forgive me? And I can't give you what you need. Because they are busy with other things. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. That's why you're protecting yourself from this person because this person is very selfish. They're always taking, not giving in return. Again, they're playing games with you. Expect powerful change, new moon, eclipse. Maybe there will be some powerful changes coming, especially when new moon eclipse is going. Gemini, show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. So don't hide your emotions or feelings. Just show the real emotions to your loved ones or to your family. Don't hide your emotions or feelings. Sorry. Under the deck, you are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo. So you're feeling that you are not good enough. This is the message for you. You are good enough. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.